Rodolfo from Marisol Academy.
Hello po.
Kasi ang dami nang ang dami na nagsusulputang P-pop groups, di ba? Ngayon, ano sa palagay nyo ang magiging edge ninyo or paano kayo mapapansin?
May I answer the question po?
Go.
Siguro po, it's something about us Aster lang din po talaga. It's maybe, I'm not saying po na the other groups are not talented, but I can proudly say that Aster is really talented. As we said kanina po na we make our own music. The very beginning, pinaka-scratch po, sa amin po yan galing. We make our own choreographies as well. And yeah, I think that's something, ayun po yung pinaka-edge po ng Aster na masasabi ko po na ayun po talaga yung pagmamalaki ko po sa buong mundo or sa buong P-pop po. But I'm not saying that the other P-pop groups are not talented. They are really talented. But ayun po, I'm just sinasabi ko lang po yung parang pinaka-edge po talaga ng group na. Kaya yeah, I hope that you guys will appreciate our music as well and our choreographies as well. Thank you po.
May sasagot pa? Baka may idagdag?
Yeah, wala naman ako. Thank you.
So, kung merong mga singers or P-pop artists na gusto yung makakolab sa kanta or kung magkaka-concert kayo, sino ang mga yun?
Can I answer? Ako, lahat ng pwedeng P-pop, kahit sinong P-pop po, basta kasi ayun po ang goal namin, umangat yung P-pop and sama-sama po kami umangat kasi P-pop Rise po tayo, ayun po na. Ayun, lahat talaga. Isipin nyo guys, isang stage, maraming P-pops, nakakatuwa yan. Kaya ayun po yung sagot ko po.
Okay. Singers naman.
Siguro po, one of our singers po na gusto namin talaga mga collab. Sama na po natin yung SB19, Bini, Alamat, MNL48, lahat po ng mga nag-pave ng G22, Vision, PHP, First One, BGY, lahat po ng mga nag-pave ng way for P-pop. Sana po mapansin din po kami kasi pangarap po talaga namin makakalap sila through singing, through dance, lahat. Especially Stel. Hey, Stel. Sana ba? Bye, Sister Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thanks, Kuya Rodel.
Hello, si Isa Sergeant from Net25.
Hello po.
May question for you guys. Di ba yung ibang mga P-pop may mga kanya-kanya rin silang yung individual career, kayo kumusta? As a group and as an individual, sino sa inyo yung may mga individual na path din tinatahak?
Yan, sige ako na mag-ano lang ako. Actually po, after po nung, meron po kasing turning point po yung pagiging Aster member.
Pangit na audio.
Ano po, may turning point po kasi.
Paalis lang po yung yung parang echo o feedback po.
Ayun. Okay lang. Yan, siguro
Okay
po. Ay, okay na po. Yan, so, going back po, gusto lang po namin sabihin na meron po kasing turning point po yung pagiging Aster member po namin with Aster's Entertainment. Nagkaroon po kami ng meeting na dati kasi po talagang bawal po kaming mag-individual activity. And parang raise po namin yung concern namin sa management. And eventually, nag-meet halfway po. And eventually po, meron pong isang member po sa amin na nagkaroon po ng gig. And talagang, siguro hindi pa po namin siya i-disclose kasi bawal pa. Pero congratulations dun sa member namin kasi nakapag-ano po sila, individual. And hindi naman po kami restricted as long po na alam po ng bawat members ang priority which is ang Aster.
Pero sa ngayon, wala pa sa isip yung may mga individual releases.
Yes.
Eh, as a group muna.
Yeah, I believe po, like, for all of us, parang ang priority po namin lahat is Aster po talaga, like, for now. Yeah, kasi we are, ngayon po, naglalayag po kami to Starbucks, so, ayun, like, Aster is our priority.
My last question is yung, you are performing, maharap na kayo sa maraming mga tao, sa mga, even in social media, napapanood na kayo. Ang netizens, hindi natin lahat na-please, di ba? May mga bad comments din, may mga hindi, mga negative comments. Paano nyo hinahandle yun? At sumasagot din ba kayo sa social media?
May answer that question po. Siguro po how Aster handles it po is I don't know if that's the right word, but it's like if you know that term po na kill them with kindness, parang kahit gano'n po yung iba to po nila sa amin, we're just gonna be kind to them. Kasi, I mean, at the end of the day, wala naman kaming mapapala dyan. Kasi, we know, at least we know na we get like critics from other people as well, which is something that really helps our group. Kasi nga, as you guys know, Actors is not a perfect group. Kaya we really appreciate all the, kahit mga bashing po po yan, it's a form of critic po. Kaya we still appreciate everything na sinasabi ng mga tao despite ano po yung mga bashing na po yun. Kaya, ayun po. Thank you so much po.
Pero sumasagot kayo sa social media?
Sumasagot po in a professional way po. Kasi for example po, kunyari, bakit ganito ganyan? Ano po yung mga management po namin na nag-reply po sila professionally kasi iba pa rin po pag nag-reply kayo in a good way and in professional way para po hindi lang sila parang hindi po mamihasa na na may mga tao rin pong nasasaktan but at the same time po, dinadaan po namin siya in a professional way. But then, at the end of the day po, kahit ano pong gawin natin, may mga masasabi po talaga silang masama. So kaya po sabi ng bunso namin, kill them with kindness.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Kuya Cesar. Next question from
Sabi kasi namin, 10 seconds, wala pa magpapakilala sa atin.
Ayan, grabe naman yung performances ng Aster. What an amazing performance! Congratulations, Kuya Aster.
Thank you na.
So ayun na, may quick interview lang ako for you guys. Ang yung feeling nyo na finally na-perform ni Muntintana and Layag for the first time sa ating audiences. Anyone?
Well, we were really excited talaga from the very start ng performance, ng training performance for this one. We were really excited to show this kasi as you guys know, as sa mga twinkles dito, alam niyo na it's something new sa mga mata nyo and it's not the typical type of Aster that you would see. Yeah, we were really excited to show this performance sa inyo kaya I really hope that you guys enjoy it very much. Love you guys!
Yes!
Yes!
Ayan. And now, what do you guys feel na nalalapit ng album release ng Talayag na marami nang nakaabang like nag-hop sa Layag Dance Challenge
Ooh.
na nag-receive na ng album?
Actually, yung first time na nirelease namin yung album highlights, hindi namin in-expect na ganun iingay. Ang magtatrend tayo sa Twitter. Hindi talaga namin in-expect, promise. Swear to God talaga. Kaya maraming salamat po. And we are expecting na sana po ay patuloy niyo po kami supportahan until tomorrow dahil bukas na yung release. Finally na
Mamaya na actually, mamaya na madaling araw.
12 midnight guys, so abangan yan and sana makasama namin kayo sa journey namin. Thank you guys so much.
Sana makasama namin kayo sa aming paglalaya.
Magdalay na tayo!
Yes, agree ako sa mga sinabi ng boys dahil marami nakaabang talaga sa official release ng album ko, Talayag. Kaya stay tuned po sa mga streaming platforms namin. Talayag will be released tomorrow, August 9 at 12 midnight. Yeah, so moving forward, the Talayag tracklist does not just end there. Sit back as we all enjoy the rest of the Talayag tracklist through the listening party. Woo!
Listening party.
Yeah, so bye guys, see you later.
We'll see you guys later. I hope to see you guys. Listen carefully, everyone.